Live It Like Lisa here. I was looking on Pinterest and I came across this picture, and I'll insert the picture here somewhere. And I just thought, oh, I have to make that for my house, for my front door entryway. I just thought, I love farmhouse, I love country style decor, and that is just going to look so beautiful. So how perfect are these boots from Kmart? They've even got a little bit of a decorative feature on the tip here. They're the proper cowboy style boots. And believe it or not, they were $4. I actually peeled this up to try and see what they were before. They were originally, I'm pretty sure that's a 30, not 80, because nothing in Kmart is 80. They were originally $30, marked down to $4. Can you believe that? Couldn't even get them in the thrift store cheaper than that. So I thought, my God, it is just on the cards. We need to make this decor. So what we're going to start by doing is giving them a bit of a scuff up with some sandpaper, because clearly I don't want them to look brand new and shiny and all this patent sort of look. So I'm going to give them a really good scuff with the sandpaper, and then we're going to get into decorating. So next, I've just taped all the soles up so that they don't get painted, and we're just going to spray paint them with just some regular brown spray paint. So now that the brown spray paint has dried, I'm just going in with some regular acrylic paint in this kind of crimson colour, and I'm just dabbing it all on with a sponge dabber. And you don't have to cover the entire boot completely. You can still leave it a bit uneven so that some of that brown is still poking through as well. It depends what look you're going for. I was trying to go for like a more mottled, vintagey looking boot where it still looked quite old and worn. So yeah, I kind of had that colour going on unevenly all over the boot. Next is just add a little bit of snowflakes to the bottom of the boots, just to give them a little bit of frosting look. So what I thought I would use for that is I've got some they're like Epsom salts, you know, like the bath salts. And I've also got a selection of like white glitters and powders and little sequined type things that I was thinking to add to it to give it a little bit of sparkle, but just not too much. So they're all in the white color. I didn't really want to go silver. So I'll mix some of these glitters up in this little cup to get a nice mix, because I will be using these in another project as well. I'm just using the PVA glue to cover the sides of the sole of this boot, and then we're going to sprinkle on the Epsom salts and a bit of that glitter mixture. And now we get to stuff them. So I have a heap of different greenery twigs and berry picks and different things like that. Most of these are all from Kmart, and I'm just kind of, I'm pulling branches off and stuffing them and arranging them. I don't really know how to explain floral arranging. I'm not professional at it. I just stuff the boots and try and make it symmetrical or asymmetrical depending on what the look you're going for. And yeah, I just basically play around until I'm happy with it. I don't really know any other way to explain it, really. And here they are, all finished, sitting next to my front door. I just absolutely love them. I think they're a perfect country addition to our Christmas decor this year. I'm really, really pleased with how they turned out. I hope you give this one a go, guys. Again, it is super easy. This is why I show you these videos, so you can see that they're not so hard to do. I really hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you do. I'd love to see them. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.